Good morning and welcome back to another morning. And it's freezing. Hopefully I'll warm up in a minute. But as you can probably see, I'm here on my own at the minute. Everyone's just had to run off and do a few errands. So I'm going to keep myself occupied. If you can remember, we put this thing down on the floor last time. And she looked cool. Doesn't it look weird seeing it on the floor? Not like up in the air. I like it. I'm still not too sure about what to do about the bumper. Because this is the early bumper. And it doesn't look terrible. But I do have, in the back, a late bumper. You can just about see it. Back there. So I'm going to put that on and see which one I like. I don't necessarily hate the look of that, but I don't know. Put the other one on, see how I get on. But need to get a few bits and bobs done on this today, or would like to. The gear linkage, you can't see this, but the gear linkage is really, really tight, and I'm not sure if that's because of the short shift I've got on it, so I'm gonna mess around with that, see if I can loosen it up a little bit. Not we're gonna see it. I need to have a quick look at this wheel arch, because when we did move it, it caught the wheel arch and pulled it out a little bit. And I need to raise her up, because she sat pretty much on the wheel arch. Yeah, she's literally sat on the wheel arch. Haven't got my shocks on yet, so that won't make any difference. Just raise it up on the torsion bars. But how cool does it look to see it on the floor? Look at that, tucking tyre, lovely at the back. Oh, definitely gonna have to sort someone out with that as well. I would like to move it out a little bit so I can actually open the sliding door and have a little look and see what's in the back of here. So I'm gonna have a little bit of a play. So I think my first job, get this thing up, wind those torsion bars up and see if I can get this thing not catching the arch. Oh my God. Well, that was fun. I'm hoping if I get on that dolly, I should just be able to creep underneath there and have a little look, try and wind those torsion bars up a little bit. Yeah, I should be able to get underneath there. Get on those torsion bars, raise her up a little bit more. So that's the plan. I'm now going to faff about with this, get a couple of axle stands underneath it to make sure it's safe. And then get those torsion bars wound all the way up. Anyway, I'm going to get that done, raise this thing up, pick a camera up in a minute once it's done, I guess. So see you in a moment. Got her wound up. I've took one of the jack stands out, but I've wound the torsion bars up. But now he's back.
Hello.
Mr. John.
How's it going?
How are we, sir?
Not bad, thank you, mate. You just drained what's left of the power steering fluid out the rest, because the steering rack's gone.
Yeah, I haven't actually said what's wrong with this one yet.
Yeah, the steering rack's gone.
Steering rack is a little bit broketed.
Obviously it's burst out and the seals again. Another one.
Yay.
Gone. Gone dead. So not that there was much fluid left in it. I took that.
The remainder of what was left out of it. Yeah. John's got power steering to do. Also, hello, Di. Still alive.
Still alive. Warrior. Polish warrior.
He did have to end up going to the hospital. He was poised, he got pneumonia. But he's here. Right. Oh, let's get this out from under here. Oh, there we go. She's up. Little bit little bit too much, but at least I can turn the steering wheel from side to side without it ripping the wheel arch off. Yeah. So here comes for the fun part. Let's move her here. Look at that, she moved. Look at that, she's not in a corner no more. It's nice to see her out of her little home. How cool is that? So there's a few jobs I want to do on this today. Number one is possibly look at this wheel arch, because I may have ever so slightly pulled it out. Deal with that. Gonna swap that door over because I have got a new door. So take that off, bin, put that one on. Wrong colour, but no filler on it. And then I want to get in the back because I know that there's some parts in it. And I just don't know where they are. And clear out the inside because there's lots of stuff in it that doesn't need to be in here anymore. And now I can get to it. I can do it. Hello. Everything's leaking now.
Yeah, obviously again it's red fluid.
More incorrect fluid again.
Yeah, to blow the seals out.
So, if anybody's got a T4, stop putting red steering fluid in it. It's green. It does make a difference.
Yeah.
Doesn't it, John?
In the long run.
Right, I'm going to get my ovals done and we'll attack this. So, see you in a mo. Well, I should probably show you what I've actually been up to. Making a mess by tidying up a bit. Got 3 door cards in the back of her. 1 driver's, 2 passenger. So I know I was going to swap these out. So I got them. Just parts everywhere. There's my dash. My front bumper is down there. Whoa. Just got a combination of stuff from everything. So all I'm doing is I'm just removing it all. Door card for a sliding door. Obviously my sliding door. My intercooler. More vents. Stuff for the diesel heater. I don't even know. Wiring for what looks like a diesel heater. I have already swapped out the wing mirror because this wing mirror had screws holding it in, so I found another one and fit that. Perfect. So I can go in a bin. But that is literally, oops. Also got a rear light that's smashed. Remember we had a couple of scrap bands then and we took these off because got one clip and that clip's broke, and then that one clip broke. This one's got the 2 clips. There's one, there's t'other. So that one's a good one. So I do remember when there was like vans coming in, scrap ones, we just got 4 glove boxes. But those just random parts that we were just keeping. So one of these, I don't know what that's about. This is the one that's originally out of this van, and it also has cup holders. That's the one that's originally out of my van. Yeah, so what my job is, try and empty this lot out and try and find out what and why there's a lot of stuff in here. Because it's just a mess. So I thought I'd just show you that, but I'm going to put the camera down and just have a tidy up, really. Because until now, I haven't been able to get in the back of it, and I have no idea of what I've got. So I'm going to tidy this lot up. Once we're a little bit tidy, I'll pick it up and we can see where we're going from there. So, wish me luck. I have been a busy boy. May not look like it, but I have. So, see if I can get a light on. In the back, I have sort of pretty much organised it. All the way back there, that's all like the dash trim and panels and what have you. Underneath is just stuff I don't actually need anymore. Well, I do, but it's not for rebuilding. Just try to organise, sort these door cards out so I can chuck these brown ones in the bin. I have got my dash, but that obviously cannot go back in just yet. Chucked away so much stuff. Just more stuff back here I don't really need just yet, so I stuck it here out the way. I've got that door card which I need to swap over. That one's a better nick, so get that done. My front bumper, she needs to go on, but not properly. At least that's out the back. Yeah. Oh, needs to put a carpet. That needs to go on the floor at some point, but not going to do it just yet. And then the next job, get rid of this crappy door and put the good one on. So let's get these door cards changed over, and I need to move that carpet as well because it's in the way. So let's get that done. And there we go. All done and looks much more better. Now on to getting this door changed. Do need to take a sticker off because I want to keep this. Need to undo those bolts that are down there and then get this door off. Get this bad boy on there. So
we pulled the dead steering rack, and we won't have that here tomorrow. But we did notice it was play report out, so we did message her.
She's now having brand new ones.
Yes.
Well, in between Di being off with pneumonia and everything else, he has managed to get the rest of this side of this van done, which is lovely. Whole side is now done. Wing is on. Oh, I can't show you because it's all put back together, but he did that little bit of welding. He did that little patch that was under there. This looks beautiful. But we now need to move that, and then to move that we need to move this. But to move this I have to move that. So we have to play musical move-arounds. But it won't be the last. Definitely a bin in front of it. Not quite sure how much of that we would have caught, but the bay ever so slightly crashed into the ramp. So yeah, we now need to resolve that problem. So we'll have a look at the damage on the bit in a bit. But I'm moving stuff about. Anyway, catch you in a sec. Right, we've had a little bit of a move about because everything needed to move. But stuck my van out a little wee bit. The bay's now facing a completely different way. There's a red van in it. But before I end this video, I want to put that on there, which isn't too much of a hard job. Need to remove this cap. Try and do this one-handed. And then the door should come off. So there we go, door's now off. I do have to remove the panel, take that door handle off and put that on there. Just transfer a few bits from door to door, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to get that done and put the door on. That is the plan. Swap, there, done. Ta-da! Red door. There's the old one, everything's all taken off of it. I did have to take that off and swap it round. Oh no, it wasn't, it was the inside one. But it's all working, and that is the smoothest sliding door I have ever owned. And it's pretty much lined up lovely. This side's a bit of a gap, but we can deal with that. I'm happy with that. Nice, smooth sliding door. Genuinely feels lovely. There we go. Well, that's that now completely fitted, and that's going to be the end of the video, I think. I'm pretty much going to be picking up the next video from pretty much exactly here. So, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this. I've enjoyed it. Managed to do a bit of archaeology in the back and have a sort out. That panel goes on this door along with the foamy stuff. That goes back in this door. That dash obviously there, and it's pretty much empty in the back, which is great. Managed to make my door cards look a lot more better. It's nice to actually be able to walk around the van as well, which is great. But pleased with that wickedness. I know it's the wrong colour, but we're going to deal with that. Anyway, I'm going to stop my rambling and get going. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please give me a massive thumbs up, because it massively helps us out. Anyway, I'm going to get going. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting out a bar of the mass, and as always, take it easy.